During the process of implementing designs onto a fleet of trucks, the procedure extends beyond merely printing the design. Given the diversity of truck models that may share a common livery, the compatibility of a single design across different trucks is rare. To ensure adaptability, we exercise care and caution by initially crafting templates from low-cost materials. The strategic approach allows us to assess the compatibility of design and make necessary adjustments before proceeding to the final printing stage of our industry-leading 3M IJ280 film.